What's up, everybody? This is the Fan Dude 21 Whack once again. And what you're looking at here today is a 52-inch white and polished brass Evergo Hugger ceiling fan, model 4E-6EALW. As far as the model name goes, I'm sure the fan had one. Usually Evergo gives model names to these fans like this, but I just don't know what it was. I've never seen one new in the box, and so I just don't know off the top of my head, really. But anyway, the fan here dates to 1985, and it uses a cast iron motor. I'm pretty sure in this era, Evergo is still affiliated with Union. So the motor is probably likely made by Union. But unlike the early 80s fans, I'm not sure when the Hugger was introduced, definitely around this time, 1984, 1985 era. So when they started introducing these Hugger models here. And their quality went downhill just a little bit. And they just, of course, likely, from over time, quality just keeps on going down the tubes until Evergo went kaput sometime around 1990. Thereabouts. But this fan here uses a cast iron motor. Like I said, it's 3-speed, electrically reversible. Yeah, definitely a unique fan. As you can see, the fan has GE vents on it, which is pretty unusual for a Hugger fan. I mean, a lot of different companies actually made GE vent style Huggers, but it's just not a traditional thing you see on these Huggers. They're mostly just the oval vents, and that's it. So that's an interesting twist on this fan here. The fan also, as you can see, has stencil blades, and those are just reversible, just a plain white on the other side, for those who are wondering. So without further ado, we'll give this thing a demonstration. And I must forewarn you on this fan here is probably one of the loudest ceiling fans I own. So you might want to turn down your volume, just forewarning you. Yeah, this thing has a very ridiculous vibration to it when it runs. And it's not an issue. However, it's actually normal nature of this particular motor to just vibrate like this. And these weren't quiet right out of the box. I mean, this particular fan here, there usually is rubber isolation bushings between the motor plate that mounts to the mounting bracket, and they were all dry rotted away. So basically what the fan's just sitting up on, it's just sitting metal to metal basically. So that don't help at all either. Plus this open raftered ceiling here, which also amplifies the noise. So, but these fans weren't quiet out of the box. Even when it's installed on a drywall ceiling with bushings and all, it's still a very hummy fan, to say the least. We'll take it up to the medium speed. And we'll turn this to the high speed. Despite the fact that the humming sound this fan has, it's actually a pretty decent performer. The fan spins around 190 RPMs on high speed with a 12-degree blade pitch. It's actually a pretty decent air mover. But that's also mainly due to the fact that the open raftered ceiling, which gives more air clearance, allows for better air movement. Starting to back up here on the low speed here on the updraft position. Now, like most Evergo fans, updraft speeds are a bit slower than the downdraft speeds. Traditional Evergo union thing. And unfortunately, the motor hum still is rather persistent as well. The bearings on the fan do make a little bit of noise, but you can barely hear them versus the vibration. And there's the high speed on the updraft position. As you can see, it's probably only do around 175 RPM there. Yeah, I'm not sure if I mentioned this before. The fan is from 1985. And also, I'm not really too sure if this fan ever was given an actual model name or not. You know, if I ever find a fan, or seen one new in the box, I can probably find one, but it's been a long time since I've actually seen one of these new in the box pop up. So I'm just going to go off the model number for right now. You also see that the fan is also the green tag. That's it. That tells you not to have the fan start from a dead stop on its slow speed. Which is a typical trait Evergo fans have. And that is because the capacitors they used are not real sensitive to voltage variations. They only work on a very strict voltage. If they get too low, they won't start the fan up. Which AC voltage tends to fluctuate quite a bit depending on various situations. So that's about it for this video. So I thank you for watching, and I do hope you enjoyed the video on this 52-inch Evergo Hugger ceiling fan model 4E-6ALW or 6EALW, whatever. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and of course we'll see you next time.